This is our project dashboard. This is where we can view the projects that are currently in our system, as well as do some other functions such as sharing projects, copying projects, and archiving projects. To create a project, I'm simply going to click the Add a Project button. This will bring us to our Add a Project page where we will begin filling out our form. Once we've filled out our project information, the first thing we might want to do is to upload a project image. The project image or logo will allow you to instantly have subcontractors recognize the project that you're working on. In many retail cases, you will simply put the logo of the chain that you are working on. In other cases, it may be simply a screenshot of any project or plan that you currently have. Let's scroll through some of the information to see what we have on our project details. The project title is going to be the name of the project. It is the most important thing on the project and is how you identify the project. The project description is where you're going to put all of your crucial project information. It is your scope of work. It is where you can describe the project to the subcontractor and list any need-to-know information. We've added a text editor to our scope of work as well. This will help you bold, italicize, underline, and highlight specific words to help them stand out. Our project overview is going to contain our key project information, such as project status. Right now, we are saying that we are a bidding general contractor. We have not been awarded. The owner type is private. The type of building that we are constructing is a ground-up new building, and it is a retail store. We have various fields for alternate or additional buildings that are going to be constructed, as well as a place for total square footage. Below we have our project location. This is going to be your project's address. Next we have our important dates. Our bid due date is going to be the single most important thing. That is when you are expecting your bids. We also have our pre-bid meeting date and our site visit meeting dates. One of the most important dates other than bid due date to a subcontractor is going to be your start date and your end date. This is how subcontractors will know that your project is going to fit into their schedule. Labor affiliation is going to allow you to designate the project as having a trade or labor affiliation. In this case, we have check marks for union, non-union, or prevailing wage. Keep in mind that this is strictly just to let the subcontractors know that this is a union, non-union, or prevailing wage job. It will not affect your vendor results when searching the Blue Book network. Next, we have some additional features that are provided by the Blue Book network. One of the things that we offer is the ability for our plan room team to optimize your files. This includes treating your files, putting titles on individual sections, separating, and making those files keyword searchable. If you upload a zip file, we will take that zip file, treat it, separate it, and make it easily accessible to all the subcontractors on your project. Bid scope is a way for you to promote your project within the Blue Book network. Any project that is bid scoped will show up and be available for subcontractors in the Blue Book network to search. This is your non-disclosure agreement. This is the place where you can put any terms and conditions that need to be agreed to before the subcontractor can access your plan room. After entering all this information in, we are simply just going to hit save and move on to the next portion of our project.